Are you tired of your projects ending up in disaster? Well, fear not. In today's video, we'll be discussing the 5 most common DIY mistakes and how you can avoid them for a successful outcome. Mistake number 1. Not having the right tools for the job. It's tempting to make do with what you have, but trust me, using the right tools can make a world of difference. Do your research, invest in quality tools, and your projects will be off to a great start. Moving on to mistake number 2, skipping the prep work. We get it, you're excited to dive right in, but rushing through prep work can lead to disastrous results. Take the time to measure, mark, and plan before you begin. It will save you countless headaches down the road. Now let's talk about mistake number 3, ignoring safety precautions. DIY can be fun, but it's crucial to prioritize safety. Always wear protective gear like safety goggles and gloves. Next up is mistake number 4, not following instructions. I know, instructions can be boring and seem unnecessary, but they exist for a reason. Take the time to read and understand them completely. It'll save you from making frustrating mistakes and wasting precious time. Last but not least, mistake number 5, poor planning and budgeting. Many DIYers overlook the importance of planning ahead and setting a realistic budget. Take the time to research materials, create a schedule, and allocate funds wisely. Remember, a successful project starts with a solid plan. 5 common DIY mistakes that you can now avoid. Following these tips will set you on the path to DIY success. Happy DIYing!